Narellan Pools are proud to have a team of quality subcontractors and builders. All our builders and contractors are fully licensed experts in their field. Our builders pride themselves on their professional, friendly and efficient service. We are the fastest pool builders in the industry and we'll have you amazed at the speed of our installation. Most of the work is done in the factory, so there is less time, less mess and less fuss at your site. The first phase of your pool construction is the setting out stage. After a decision has been made as to where the pool is to be placed, the site will be prepared by levelling the area and laying out the pool template. The position of the template will then be marked as a guide for excavation. When it is time for the excavation to start, we will bring in heavy earth-moving equipment so that the excavation can be done as quickly and efficiently as possible. In most cases, the excavation can be completed the same day that it starts. With the excavation complete, it is then time to lay the sand bed. The sand bed is measured precisely so that when the pool goes into the excavation, it will be perfectly level. Placing the pool in the excavation can be done in one of two ways. If there is enough access to your site, our truck may be requested to place the pool directly into the excavation using the high-ab crane on the truck. Alternatively, a high lift crane may be required for installation on difficult to access sites. Once the pool shell is in the ground, it is then stabilised by the backfill consisting of a sand and cement mix. Once the pool is partially backfilled, the suction, return lines, spar jets and solar pipes will be fitted and plumbed. The backfill will be completed once the plumbing is finished and has had time to cure. The final stage of your installation will involve the concreting of the bond beam. This is the concrete walkway around the perimeter of your pool. Steel reinforcing is used in the concrete bond beam, which is tied to the shell using the metal ties already on the side of the pool. The bond beam is an integral part of your pool and bonds to the fiberglass shell in order to give it strength and prevent movement. Once the bond beam has cured, it is ready for the pavers to be laid on a bed of mortar. All that is left to be done now is to start enjoying some of the benefits of owning your very own Narellan pool.